Alright guys, so as in my past videos, I have already explained you about Pinterest boards, like what Pinterest boards are, why it is important for you to join Pinterest boards, and how you can actually join some other people group boards and start posting your pins on some other people's boards, so you can actually drive traffic from those boards to your Pinterest profile. So by doing that and by following that method, you can actually grow your Pinterest account very fast. But for this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can actually create your own boards, optimize your boards, and start posting your pins on all of your boards, so you can just arrange your Pinterest profile into a tabular manner, so that will look more beautiful and more people can follow your Pinterest account. So all the information about creating boards, optimizing boards, and posting your pins on boards you will get in this video step by step. So keep on watching. So if you want to learn more about how to grow your Pinterest account for free, so you can just check out my Pinterest playlist on my YouTube channel, in which I have explained you almost each and every topic about Pinterest growth for free. So you can just check out all of those videos in this playlist, so you can learn how you can actually grow your Pinterest account by posting pins regularly, by doing the proper keyword research for your pins, and joining the boards. So if you follow all of these videos, you can just actually grow your Pinterest account rapidly. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on Pinterest.com right now. So here on the search bar, I can just search for any keyword like best pet gadgets. So if I just type this keyword and I just change the mode of my search from pins to boards, so I will be able to see many boards regarding that search, which is best pet gadgets. So you can see that these are the boards. So if I just click on any of the board like perfect for pets, so I can see there are 700 pins in that board, and these are the pins, and 13.45k are the followers, and this is basically the person who created this board, and she's basically posting pins on this board. So her board is ranking on the first page of Pinterest, and she's basically driving the traffic from her board to her Pinterest profile. So let's see how she is doing this and how you can just copy and paste the same method to do this for your account as well. So let's just go down and click on any of the pin like this one, and then just click on this profile from which this pin has been posted, which is Pets Wills. So let's just click on that, and here we can see that this is a small profile having only 228 followers, but the monthly views are more than 51,000. So if I just click on saved here, so I can see these are the boards on which this person is posting the pins. So you can see that this is a big board having more than 1300 pins. So if this small profile owner posting their pin on this board, so they are getting traffic from that board. So here you can see that these are the boards and these are the pins on which they are contributing. So now I'm going to show you how you can actually create your board. So in order to create your board, you need to go on your Pinterest profile, and then you need to go down, and from here you will be able to see these two tabs, created and save. So if you click on created, you will be able to see all of your pins, and if you click on save, then you will be able to see all of those boards which you have joined or which you have created. So here you can see that these are the boards which I have created for my profile, like Amazon, affiliate marketing, Shopify, YouTube, because my category is make money online and online product selling. But if your category is different, like health and fitness or maybe kitchen and gadgets, so you can just create boards as per those topics. So if you want to find, so you can just go on Pinterest, search for your keyword and find out some board ideas from there. But for now, if you want to create your board, so after clicking on this save button, you will be able to see this plus button here on the top right corner. So if you click on this plus button, you can see pins, idea pin, and board. So if you click on board, then you will be able to create a board from here. So now here in this field, you need to type the name of your board which you want to create. For example, best pet gadgets, and then you need to click on create. You don't need to check on this keep this board secret, because you want to make this board public and you want people to reach out to your profile from that board, because you want to rank that board on Pinterest search engine for all of those people who are basically searching for best pet gadgets. So let's create that board. So as soon as I click on create button, you will be able to see save some pins to your board. So now you can see that these are not my pins, but still Pinterest is showing me some pins regarding that board, which I can just select and add to that board right after creating this. So let's just click on this one and save, click on this one, save, and save. Right, so we have just saved 4 pins related to that board, and right after saving all of those pins, we just need to click on done. And as soon as I click on done, you can see that this board has been created, best pet gadgets, and here are those 4 pins which I have just saved in this board. So now this board is mine, and this will be start showing on my profile from now. So in that way, you can just create your own board. So this was the step number 1, like creating the board and adding some pins on that board. So now what is the step number 2? Step number 2 is from this plus icon, you can just find out some people from here which you think which can collaborate on your board, and they can actually share some pins on your board to grow your board. So you can just click on this plus button and invite some people from your contact list or from anywhere else, so they can also contribute on this board, so that board can grow fast and rank higher on Pinterest search engine, so you can just get more traffic on your Pinterest profile. So this was the step number 2. And now the step number 3, which is if you go down on this page, you will be able to see some more ideas from this board. You can see that find some ideas for this board. So if you click on this plus icon, so you will be able to see a pin button here. So if you click on this pin button, so you can just add some more pin on this board which you want to add on your profile. So that pin will be added on your profile and on this board as well. So let's click on this pin. So here you can see that Pinterest has taken us to the page where we can just publish any pin. So let's just drag and drop any pin here. So from here we can just find out any pin and open that. So as you can see here, this pin has been opened from my computer to this pin page. So here I can just write any title, description and all of that, and before publishing I can just click on this drop down menu which will show me all of those boards which are on my profile. You can see that these are some other boards which I've created like affiliate marketing, Amazon, Instagram and Pinterest, and this is the board which we have just created, best pet gadgets. So if you click on this board and click on publish, then this pin will publish on my profile and this board as well. So in that way you can just create as many boards as you can, so you can start managing your Pinterest content on all of those boards. For example, your page is for pets and there are some pet categories like dog, cat and parrot. So you can just create separate board for each pet and start posting pins on all of those boards one by one. So you can just manage your Pinterest content. So all of those pins will start showing on your profile and start showing on all of those boards as well. So by doing that, your pins will start ranking on Pinterest search engine and your boards will also start ranking on Pinterest search engine. So you can just get that traffic from two ways, from pins and from boards. And the cool thing about those boards is there will be some other contributor as well which will like your board and post their pins on your board as well. So that will give your board and your profile more and more audience for your niche. So I hope at this point you have complete knowledge about boards, like how you can actually create your boards and how you can start publishing your pins on board. So if you want to learn more about boards, like how you can actually find some other people group board and start posting your content on their board as well, so you can just drive their traffic on your Pinterest page as well, so you can just watch my other video in this playlist and follow that method to grow your Pinterest account. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.